So today we're in Canon City. We're starting out the day with the Royal Gorge train. That's the train. So the ride is about like 1 hour 30 minutes. So there are like actually different carts. So there's an open cart, like air carts. You can like get a 180-degree view from there. It's like no roof or anything. Then there's also a glass cart where it's like fully glass, even the roof. So and then there's one more, the cabin carts, like so there's a glass on the side and a roof on the top. The boarding passes, you have to get it at the gift shop. There's like a tiny counter. There you can like collect your tickets and you're ready to get onto the platform. So it's $90 for the adults and $80 for kids. We took that one. So this is the place where you can get like your boarding pass. Let's go get our boarding passes. So here is like where you can get your tickets. If you already have online tickets, you can get your boarding pass here and go. So now we're boarding the train. This is gate 4. We're going all the way over there to the air carts. And then you can see like there's glass here. So these are like the full glass trains. And then these are like the closed trains. So yeah, let's go. We're in the Phantom coach right now. This is inside the train. These are our seats. So let me show you an open air cart. So now we're in an open air cart. Here you can like enjoy the view. It's like really beautiful here. We're approaching the Royal Gorge Bridge. These cabins are really beautiful. You can book them for $300 each night, and then you can get some really good views in. So this is the Arkansas River. It goes east to west, and then on the other side of the mountains, that's the Colorado River. It goes north to south. This is a really beautiful place. From the ground all the way to the top. It's actually the tallest bridge in the United States. Now we're at the Royal Gorge Bridge. The ticket is $34 each, but the parking is free. So this is the entrance to Royal Gorge Bridge and Park. You can get like tickets for a lot of attractions and the tickets for Royal Gorge Bridge. So come on, let's go inside. Let's go in. this is the inside. It's like there's a shop there for the attractions. So these are the general admission tickets. They're $34 each. With these tickets, you can walk on the bridge and you can do the gondola. But today the gondola is closed because it's pretty windy out here. So let's go to the bridge. So guys, we're here. I'm presenting you America's Bridge, the tallest bridge in America. There it is. It's a great bridge. So now we are on America's Bridge. Let me show you the Arkansas River. So now we're in Canon City downtown. We came to this pizza place. It's called Pizza Madness. Really popular pizza place. So we just stopped on the way going to Aspen. This is Independence Pass Continental Drive. So this is over 12,000 feet in elevation. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this helps you plan a day trip to Aspen, Colorado. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, That Funny Wanderer. Yeah, that's me. And also click the notification bell icon so you can be notified about my next videos. Bye! See you until then.